In this video, I'll show you how to enable the coupon code fields in your WooCommerce store. As you can see in this example, by default, the coupon code field should be displayed on the checkout page, right here at the very top, as well as on the actual cart page, right over here. But in case you notice that both of these fields are missing, you might need to re-enable them within the WooCommerce settings. As usual, log into your WordPress admin account, and then hover on WooCommerce, and then select Settings. Once the settings page loads, scroll a bit down till you find this option, Enable Coupons. Make sure to set the checkmark for this option, enable the use of coupon codes, and then save the changes. Now let's open the cart page. Let's try refreshing it. And as you can see, here's the coupon code field. Now let's take a look at the checkout page. And there it is, the coupon code field should be displayed at the very top. And finally, I want to mention, in case the coupon code field is still not displayed on the checkout page, in that case, you might need to double check your theme settings. Let me show you an example. Let me go back to the WordPress dashboard and then hover on Appearance, then select Customize. Within the theme editor, look for the WooCommerce section, then click on General, and then select Checkout Page. In this example, I'm using the Blocksy theme, and as you can see at the very top, there's an additional option to enable or disable the coupon form on the checkout page. So it's always a good idea to review your theme settings. For now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.